Looking for a great meat thermometer without spending a fortune? In this video, we're counting down 8 of the best budget-friendly meat thermometers on Amazon that deliver impressive performance for the price. Stay with us until the end to find the one that fits your cooking style and budget, and check the description for updated links and deals. Kicking off our list at number 8, we have the Grill Bliss Instant Read Meat Thermometer. If you've ever cut into a steak too early or worried about overcooking an expensive piece of meat, this is the kind of tool that can take a lot of the guesswork out of grilling. One of its biggest advantages is speed, delivering a temperature reading in about half a second, so you're not standing over a hot grill waiting for results. The large digital display is easy to read at a glance, and the foldable probe makes it convenient to store when you're done cooking. It's a great fit for anyone who grills regularly, whether you're making burgers for the family, smoking brisket on weekends, or preparing perfectly cooked chicken. While it doesn't have all the advanced smart features found on premium models, it focuses on doing the basics extremely well. That's why it earns its place on this list as a reliable and practical everyday cooking companion. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Moving on to number 7, we have the ThermoMaven Wireless Smart Meat Thermometer. A great option for anyone who loves low and slow cooking, but doesn't want to spend the entire day standing next to the grill. What makes this one stand out is the freedom it gives you. Thanks to its wireless probes and Bluetooth connectivity, you can keep track of your food's temperature from your phone while relaxing with guests, preparing side dishes, or simply enjoying the game. The dual probe design is especially useful if you're cooking different cuts of meat at the same time, helping you avoid the common problem of one piece being overcooked while another still needs more time. The clear display on the base station adds another layer of convenience, giving you quick access to key information even without checking the app. While it's a bit more advanced than a basic thermometer, the added control and peace of mind make it well worth it. That's why it earns the number 7 spot as a smart upgrade for serious backyard cooks. At number 6, we have the ThermoPro Twin TempSpike Plus, a thermometer designed for people who like having as much information as possible while cooking. Instead of simply telling you the internal temperature of your food, this system also tracks the ambient cooking temperature around it, giving you a much clearer picture of what's happening inside your smoker, grill, or oven. That extra data can make a surprisingly big difference, especially during long cooks where temperature fluctuations can affect the final result. The dual wireless probes are perfect for monitoring multiple cuts at once, whether you're smoking ribs and chicken together or preparing different steaks for guests who prefer different levels of doneness. The dedicated display unit is another nice touch, allowing you to check progress instantly without constantly reaching for your phone. It may be more than casual grillers need, but for anyone who enjoys precision and consistency, it's an incredibly useful tool. That's what helps it secure the number 6 position in this ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Halfway through the ranking at number 5, we have the Chef IQ Sense Smart Thermometer, a device that focuses on making precision cooking feel almost effortless. What immediately stands out is its slim wireless probe design, which works particularly well with smaller cuts of meat where bulky probes can sometimes get in the way. The real appeal, though, is the intelligent app experience. Instead of constantly checking temperatures and trying to calculate cooking times yourself, the system helps estimate remaining cook time and guides you toward your desired level of doneness. That's incredibly useful when you're entertaining guests and want everything ready at the right moment. Whether you're grilling steaks, roasting chicken, or experimenting with reverse searing, it helps remove much of the uncertainty from the process. The app-heavy approach may not appeal to people who prefer a completely standalone thermometer, but for users who enjoy connected cooking and real-time guidance, it delivers a very polished experience. That's why it earns a well-deserved spot in the top 5 of this countdown. Coming in at number 4 is the ThermoMaven Professional Instant Read Thermometer, a great example of how sometimes the simplest tools end up being the ones you reach for the most. Unlike wireless systems that are designed for monitoring long cooks, this thermometer is all about speed and convenience. When you're grilling steaks, checking burgers, roasting chicken, or even baking bread, you can get an accurate temperature reading within seconds and make adjustments immediately. The rotating display is especially handy because it stays easy to read no matter how you're holding it. whether you're right-handed or left-handed. Its compact design also makes it easy to keep nearby without taking up much space in your cooking setup. For many people, that's exactly what makes it so useful. There are no apps to connect, no batteries to charge every few days, and no complicated settings to learn. It simply delivers fast, reliable temperature readings whenever you need them. That's why it lands at number 4 as one of the most practical and versatile thermometers in this countdown. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we have the ThermoMonster Instant Read Thermometer, a model that proves you don't always need advanced wireless features to achieve consistently great cooking results. For many home cooks and backyard grill enthusiasts, speed, accuracy, and simplicity are what matter most. And that's exactly where this thermometer shines. The large backlit display makes readings easy to see, whether you're grilling outdoors in bright sunlight or checking a roast in a dimly lit kitchen. Its foldable probe design keeps things compact and convenient, making it easy to store in a drawer or keep within reach near the grill. What really makes a difference is how quickly it helps you make decisions while cooking. Instead of guessing whether your steak is ready or risking dry chicken, you get immediate feedback and can pull food at exactly the right moment. It may not offer app connectivity or remote monitoring, but its ease of use and dependable performance make it a tool you'll find yourself reaching for again and again. That's why it comfortably earns the number 3 position in this ranking. Taking the runner-up position at number 2, we have the Lavatools Javelin Pro, a thermometer that has built a reputation for being one of those tools people buy once and keep using for years. What makes it stand out isn't flashy technology or smartphone integration, but the confidence it gives you every time you cook. The readings are fast, the display is easy to see from different angles, and the overall design feels built for real-world use rather than just looking good on a product page. It's the kind of thermometer that works equally well whether you're grilling burgers on a summer weekend, smoking ribs for hours, or making sure a holiday roast comes out exactly as planned. Another advantage is its simplicity. There are no complicated menus, no pairing processes, and virtually no learning curve. Just open it, take a reading, and keep cooking. For anyone who values reliability, consistency, and ease of use above everything else, it's an outstanding choice. That's exactly why the Javelin Pro earns the number 2 spot on our list. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the ThermoPro TP19H, a thermometer that strikes one of the best balances between performance, ease of use, durability, and overall value. This is the kind of tool that works for almost everyone, from someone buying their very first meat thermometer to experienced grillers who cook several times a week. The Instant Read design delivers fast and accurate results, helping you avoid overcooked steaks, dry chicken, or undercooked barbecue without slowing down the cooking process. Features like the large backlit display, ambidextrous rotating screen, and waterproof construction make it especially practical in real-world conditions, where spills, grease, and changing lighting are part of the job. What really pushes it ahead of the competition is how much capability it offers without becoming complicated. There are more advanced models on the market, and there are cheaper options too, but very few manage to combine convenience, reliability, and affordability this effectively. If you're looking for one thermometer that can handle almost any cooking situation with confidence, the ThermoPro TP19H is the choice that stands above the rest, making it our top pick in this ranking.